Hey, superstars. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin here. Hey, look at that Rolls Royce. Okay, so this is my Rolls Royce. And I get a lot of people ask me this question, say, Wesley, what is your strategy with buying cars? And listen, I have to admit, and I have to be very honest with you, I do not use working income to buy stuff like this, okay? Listen, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what I have done. As a matter of fact, here, look at here. You see that? That's $50,000. That's passive income. And this is a strategy and a technique that's going to break the internet. And this is all passive. This is no work at all. And it's only 2 websites that you need. As a matter of fact, I have a little bitty Rolls Royce right here as well. Okay. So listen, a first website is Upwork.com. Go there now. Now listen. A lot of people, you're reaching out to me and say, Wesley, I'm not making money. It's because you need to pay attention to the video, honestly. And you got to watch it twice. You got to realize something. I've been doing this a very long time, right? Like, I love you, okay? I love you, okay? But listen, I've been doing this a long time, so it's easy for me. But you're brand new. So that means that you have to pay attention, look and listen, and then watch it again and do it with me, okay? So basically, Upwork is basically a site where you can hire people, find talent, and find work, okay? Now listen, what you're gonna do is find some work, but listen, as promised, you don't have to do nothing, no work at all, I promise you. That's a promise that I wanna share with you. Smash the like button if you prefer to work smarter than harder, okay? Go ahead. So what you wanna do is type in proofread, because these are one of the niches that are just hot right now. And I'm gonna give you another one at the end of the video here. But look here, this person here, this is insane. They're gonna pay you $300 to proofread their blog and their website, okay? This person here is gonna pay you $500. Now listen, I know you guys are not English majors. I get that. I know some of you guys don't even know how to write properly. I get that too. And guess what? You don't have to proofread anything, okay? Can I get an amen? Amen, baby. You don't have to proofread nothing. See, this is what big marketers do online. This is why people sub to my channel and follow me, because I'm exposing the industry. I'm just showing you what you got to do to make some money, right? Then later, if you want to buy my workshop and course to make more money, at least you made some money to be able to buy the course, okay? So the next site you want to go to is Guru. And like I said before, you don't have to do the work. Guru is basically just like Upwork. But what you're gonna do on Guru is this. You're gonna type in the word proofread, okay? See where I'm going here? Hold on, guys, my internet is slow. What's going on here? Let me refresh this, okay? So the thing is, you're gonna go to Guru, right? And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna type in the word proofread, okay? Proofread here. Okay. Now I know you guys are loving me right now, right? It's insane. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just hire these people to do the work for you for $5 an hour. That's insane, right? So imagine going to this site here. You're gonna find a job that's, like 900. See, this is what you need to apply for. Don't apply for something that's $100, right? Because we're trying to get wealthy and rich, and many of you smash the like button if your desire is to leave your job like this week. Okay. Excuse me. Honestly, smash the like button if your whole deal is to leave your job this week. Well, you can't apply for $100. All right, folks, sorry about that. I'm back. Listen, you don't want to apply for a $100 fixed price job here, okay? You want to apply for a $1,000 job. And all you do is this. You click on the link, okay? You find out what they want you to do, all the specifications here. You copy and paste this. Duh, right? Copy and paste this stuff. Because you're not doing the work, right? You're too lazy to do the work. I get it. And you go back here and you find somebody super cheap. And you get a quote from them. It's free, by the way. And you say, hey, I need you to do this. Hey, I need you to do this. Like email like 10 to 20 people. Does that make sense? Email 10 to 20 people who's going to do the work for you, okay? So you don't have to do any work. Smash the like button if you're okay with getting other people to do the work for you. You're the middleman, okay? Now listen, once you do that, you take that message that they reply to you and you send it to this guy. Now, I know what your question is. Well, Wesley, I have to create a profile on Upwork, right? Of course you do, right? This is how you do that. What you do is you go to filters here. You click on above $250,000, right? You want to find somebody who's doing very well, okay? And you see this profile here? This guy from India is making a ton of money here, okay? So you click on that link, and what you do is model everything. Duh, right? Model everything. 10 years, you put 15 years. We believe in happy customer service in the best business scenario, whatever. You just model this guy's profile, okay? That's it. So make it look legit, make it look good, professional here. This guy's doing well. I mean, people like his profile. So listen, and I get it. I know you like me right now. I know you're loving me right now because this is some powerful information. This video will break the internet, honestly, okay? Then what you do is you go back here and you create a profile on Upwork. So when you apply to a guy like this, they're gonna see your profile, they're gonna hear your responses. And as a matter of fact, check this out. You can actually go back here and you can ask these people here, okay? On this site, come on now. On this site right here, you basically can ask them to give you samples, okay? Does that make sense? Comment below if you can do. This is simple. Like, this is so simple, right? I mean, listen, all you're doing is this. You're finding jobs on this site here. Listen, let me tell you why you should always apply for $1,000 plus job, because it's like when people search the internet for jobs, they're always searching for the bullshit, like 30,000, 40,000. No one applies for the $100,000 per year job because they just don't think they're capable. But listen, nobody's applying for this job. That's why it's still here, right? So apply for $999. Apply for $500, right? You're not doing the work. And then you just take the response and you vet the people out. The people that are charging $12 an hour, $5 an hour, right? So obviously you'll spend $200, but you'll get paid $900. So that's like $700 plus profit. Does that make sense? You can do this over and over again. Now listen, as promised, I'm going to give you guys a niche that is saucy right now. You hear me? I'm talking about where the money is right now. If you will do this in the next 24 to 48 hours, all I ask you to do, if I give you this niche, that you smash the like button and you consider joining my workshop if you need some help, okay? You consider partnering with me. I can help you out, but it's cool if you want to do it by yourself. But listen, I'm about to give you the niche that I know right now you can make a ton of money without doing any work. Teenagers, single moms, it doesn't matter. It works if you just do it. Check it out. So you go back here, okay? I'm gonna go back to upwork.com. Can you guys see that? Okay, now check this out. So you go back to the search here. I'm gonna type in graphic design. Okay? Stay with me here. Okay? Graphic design here. And listen, it is a hot niche right now. Okay? $250 here. Look at that. $300 here. Okay? $2,500. Like, imagine making $2,500 and you're not even doing the work. Look, they want somebody to do web development, right? So if they want web development, all I do is I go here, right? I'm gonna cross that out. I'm gonna type in web development here. See how easy this is? Oh my God, this is insane, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here because I want to get paid big money. Smash the like button if you want big money, not little money. We want to get paid, baby. Sick and tired. If you're sick and tired of your job, smash the like button. Some of you guys don't even make $2,500 per month. You copy all these details here, okay? Don't let this intimidate you. You don't need to know nothing about this stuff, right? And then you go back here and you just get a quote from everybody. Quote, 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 quote. You find the person with the best response and you send it back over here, right? And it's the same thing. All you need to do when you get ready to create a profile on Upwork.com, all you do is this. Go to filters, find somebody who's making a bunch of money, right? Somebody that has a lot of invoices as well. Hit the apply button here, and you're gonna see all these people, and you just model this guy. See this guy from India right here? Just model everything, okay? You can even model the picture and just block out this part right here. See that? Just model what this guy's doing here. You don't have to be the expert, okay? You're the middleman. Does that make sense? So listen, if you got value here, comment below. Wesley, I love you. I got massive value. Okay. Also, excuse me, folks. I got gas. Listen, smash the like button if you know you can do this right now. Like I said before, watch it again. Okay. It's important. Now, listen, if any one of you would like me to help you, okay, maybe you want to make $50,000, $10,000 per month. A link in the description under this video here. I can show you how to do that. I just had a young lady at the age of 50. She just made her first $15,000 in 45 days. I had a young man from Africa. He is 22 years old. He made $12,000 in 45 days. I mean, it works, and it works very quickly here. Why? Because it's no fluff, no BS. It's just what you need to do to make money online. I'll leave the link under this video in the description below. Remember, you can do this. In life, you get what you picture, not what you want. Make it happen. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, let go.